Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to cancel Bilibili subscription. So this is a step-by-step guide, so follow along. So guys, first thing that you need to do is go to your device settings. Then after that, tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. And then from here guys, simply go to the subscription option. And once you tap on it guys, you will get a list of all of your active subscription, and underneath as well you will see the expired ones, and also over here you will see dates for when the next payment is due to be taken from your account. And now guys, tap on Bilibili application under the active subscription tab, and in there you will have an option to cancel a subscription at the bottom of the screen. Simply tap on it and a pop-up will come guys, and just tap on confirm cancellation, and then from there guys you will not be charged anymore. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.